Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about video game B.US reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. So people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and get to know about the full details of this site. So first of all, we are going to talk about this website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with video game consoles. They offer consoles from different brands like Microsoft Xbox, Sony PlayStation, Nintendo Switch and many others. So if you're interested, then you have to visit their official site. Next, we're going to check their payment method. They have given it here. You can pay through Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard, also cash and delivery. And they also have a separate page section for that, so you can check this out as well. So next, if you want to know about the shipping timing, go to the shipping policy page section and then check it. So here they have given the processing timing, the shipping timing and also the delivery timing. So the orders are processed and shipped within 7 working days. And the delivery timing is 7 to 15 days to all major destinations. Also under expedited shipping, it takes 3 or 4 business days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was first registered on 2nd of November 2021 and it will expire on 2nd of November 2022, which means it is a very new website and hence it can't be trusted easily. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, as you can see, this website does not have any separate page section for the About Us details. But in the main home page, as you can see, they have provided some details. But they have given only one line sentence information, as you can see. So you can check this out. So now if you want to know about the contact details, they have also provided their contact details in the main home page and they also have a separate page section for it. So we are going to check this one. But here, as you can see, they have only given the email address, but the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now let's check the physical address. But guys, we have checked the physical address and the physical address seems very suspicious because they've only given their street address. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website has mentioned that they have social media presence, but we have checked out by ourselves. There is no social media presence of this website anywhere. If you click on those icons, it will only lead you to your own social media account. So this is also a negative sign. So now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, go to the refund policy page section. So here it has mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And about the refund, scroll it down. Here they've given it. So they have mentioned that they will send your money back within 5 working days once they have received your return. So guys, please do comment about the experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the video game B.US reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is 1.3%, which is very low and bad. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the video game B.US reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their genuine contact details and the trust score is very poor. So it seems like it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.